Welcome to... Today is our 10th episode. Yep, episode 10. And this kind of calls for some celebration, you know? So, maybe we could jump around? I don't know. One second, though. I have to reveal the skulk sensors. How does this work? Well, the way it works, it's not gonna blow itself up this time. And yeah, I enjoy the Cherry Grove biome. It makes a nice fireworks location. Yep, it's fireworks. And I am going to launch them with the power of sound. So if I jump right here, it's fine. But if oh, wait. A jump-powered fireworks show. I think this is actually pretty sweet, and if you didn't notice, they're the chili dog colors. Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty fun. This is jumping around, making the fireworks go off. Yeah, I think this might be one of the coolest Bad Redstone tutorials. Like, I just think it's pretty cool. I mean, I wouldn't suggest having this in a Minecraft base, but I had to look up how to make fireworks in Minecraft because who knows how to do that. But now, that was Bad Redstone tutorial 10. And thank you for watching. It's actually a simple contraption, yeah. It can be done by just walking around, too. Any sort of sound. Yeah. But thank you for watching Bad Redstone Tutorials 10. Good